All right, this video I'm going to show you how I replace the bulb in what I thought was the turn signal. You can see the bulb is bad. My neighbor said it was the turn signal and the bulb was bad, but this is actually the running light on the right hand side. So let me show you what it looks like and explain the blinker as well. Alrighty, here we go. Here is the light that I replaced. If you take a look, you can see brown where it was heated, and that's because it's a running light. The blinker shouldn't be that way. Now, let me show you what it looks like. My metal handle. Okay. Headlights, running light, and this running light doesn't look like it's working. Right, now I'm going to turn in the key. Okay. Now this is the right turn signal. You see it going fast. I'm going to go left. You see it going slow. One of them is working, one of them isn't. So coming over here, the running light isn't good, and that light is blinking. Right, now you should be able to hear it clicking fast, and as we look there, nothing's going on. So that light is fixed, so I need to get another one of those, and I need to remove the bulb on that side. So let me do that. Okay, so hopefully you can see that. Right there is the place for the bulb. So I'm going to twist that and pull it out. Okay, and there's the bulb right there. So let me remove it. It looks like I need to push and twist. Need two hands. Note that the tire is turned to the left. Hopefully you can see it. Push, twist, out it comes. So there we go. All right, the light is on, as you can see, and you can see the turn signal. So that is fixed. Now I'm going to work on the put all this back and then work on the other side. Thanks for watching.